Hello, my amazing students. Today I'm here to share something powerful, something that could truly change your life. So listen carefully. English is not difficult. English is not impossible. You have everything it takes to speak English fluently, and much faster than you imagine. I know some of you feel nervous when you try to speak. You hesitate, you get stuck, and sometimes you don't even try because you're scared of making mistakes. You might have been learning English for years, but when it's time to speak, your mind feels empty. You know the words, you understand English when reading or listening, but when it's your turn to speak, everything disappears. I understand that feeling deeply. I've been there. I've felt that frustration, the desire to speak but not having the right words, the confusion when people speak too fast. But today, I want to tell you something important. You don't have to feel this way anymore. From today, I will show you a simple, natural, and enjoyable way to learn English, one that works for everyone, no matter your age or level. Forget everything that made English feel hard. Forget the fear. Forget trying to be perfect. The number one reason people fail to speak English isn't lack of knowledge, it's fear. Fear of making mistakes, fear of being embarrassed, fear of being judged. But ask yourself, how did you learn your first language? Did you study grammar books? Did you memorize long word lists? Of course not. You learned by listening, copying, speaking, making mistakes, and using your language every day. And that's exactly how you're going to learn English. You don't need to study English. You need to live it. English should not be something you do for 1 hour a day and forget. It should be part of your everyday life. You should hear it, think in it, and speak it daily. Now I know you might be wondering, how do I do that? Don't worry, I'll guide you through everything. I won't just give you tips. I'll take you on a journey where English becomes natural and enjoyable for you. And the first step is to change how you think. If you believe English is hard, your brain will fight against it. But if you start believing English is easy, your brain will begin to learn faster. Imagine a baby learning to walk. The baby falls over and over again, but never gives up. Eventually, walking becomes effortless. That's how language learning works. Mistakes are not a sign of failure. They are proof that you're learning. I want you to say this with me. English is easy. I can speak English. I am improving every day. These are not just words. They are powerful messages to your brain. From now on, never say, "My English is bad." Say instead, "I am learning. I am getting better." This one small change in thinking will lead to big changes in your speaking. Now that your mindset is changing, let's bring English into your daily life. You don't need to travel to an English-speaking country. You can create an English environment wherever you are. Start by changing your phone's language to English. This simple step will help your brain get used to English words every time you use your device. Next, start thinking in English. Right now, you probably think in your native language and then translate, but this slows you down. Instead, begin with small thoughts in English. When you wake up, think, "I will brush my teeth." When you make tea, think, "I am making tea." When you step outside, think, "The weather is nice today." At first, it may feel unnatural, but the more you do it, the easier it becomes. Soon, English will start coming to you without effort. One powerful habit is talking to yourself in English every day. Yes, talk to yourself. Stand in front of the mirror and have small conversations. For example, say, "Good morning. How are you today? I feel good. I have some work to do, but I'm ready." It may feel strange at first, but this is one of the best ways to improve your speaking without fear. The more you do it, the more confident you'll become. Another great method is labeling everything in your house. Write the names of objects on small pieces of paper and stick them to items like your door, table, fridge, or mirror. Every time you see them, say them out loud. This is a chair. The cup is on the table. I drink water from this glass. This helps your brain connect English words with real things automatically. Many people believe they need perfect grammar before they can speak English. That's not true. If you focus too much on grammar, you'll always feel afraid of making a mistake. Instead, speak first. Correct later. Children don't learn grammar rules. They speak, and their grammar improves naturally. You should do the same. Learn useful phrases, like, I am eating, or she is going to school, and use them often. When you listen to native speakers, don't just understand. Repeat what they say out loud. Copy their tone, rhythm, and pronunciation. The more you do this, the more naturally you'll speak. Now let's use English in your real life. Every activity you do, waking up, eating, going out, can be practiced in English. In the morning, talk to yourself. Good morning, I feel fresh today. I'm going to brush my teeth. In the kitchen, I am making tea. It smells great. Even simple conversations with your family can be in English. Good morning, Mom. What's for breakfast? Eggs and toast. Do you want tea? Yes, please, thank you. At the market, use real English. Do you have fresh tomatoes? How much is 1 kilo? I'll take 2 kilos, please. With friends. Hey, how are you? I'm good. Want to go for a walk? Let's get some coffee. Real conversations, real language. That's how you build real fluency. Even at night, before sleeping, talk to yourself. Today was a good day. I learned a lot. Tomorrow, I'll practice even more. Good night. And here's a powerful secret to improve your speaking. Listen and repeat. When you hear a sentence, don't just listen. Say it out loud. Copy the pronunciation. Copy the rhythm. For example, if you hear, I want to go to the market, say it out loud, again and again, until it feels natural. To improve pronunciation, speak slowly and clearly. Many people speak too fast, thinking it makes them fluent, but it often makes them hard to understand. Speak clearly. Pronounce every word. Another effective method is recording your voice. Say a sentence, then listen. Compare it with a native speaker and adjust. You'll quickly hear where you can improve. If you feel shy, remember, everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become. Practice at least 15 minutes every day. Talk to yourself, a friend, or the mirror. Just speak. Use the 3-second rule. When someone asks you a question, respond within 3 seconds. Don't wait. Don't overthink. Just say what you can. The more you do this, the more fluent and natural you will sound. The real key to fluency is this. Stop translating in your head. You must train your brain to think in English. When you see a tree, don't think the word in your language. Think tree. When you see a car, think car. Start with simple words, then move to simple sentences. I am eating. The weather is nice. Talk to yourself as you go about your day. I am walking to school. This food is delicious. I am wearing a blue shirt. Watch English shows. Listen to podcasts. Read easy English books. Surround yourself with English. The more you do, the faster your brain will adapt. And always speak, even if you make mistakes. If you forget a word, use another. If you can't say, I lost my keys, say I don't have my keys. I don't know where they are. Communication is more important than perfection. Every day, follow this plan. In the morning, name everything you see in English. In the afternoon, think in short English sentences. In the evening, watch or listen to English for 20 minutes. At night, speak to yourself for 5 to 10 minutes. If you do this consistently, you will start thinking and speaking in English naturally. My dear students, you now have the tools to speak English fluently, confidently, and naturally. English is not hard. What holds you back is fear. But you are stronger than that fear. Learning English will open doors, better jobs, global travel, friendships, new knowledge, and confidence. So never give up. Even when it's hard, even when others doubt you, keep going. You've come so far, and I believe in you. This is not the end. This is the beginning of your journey to fluency. Speak, think, and live in English every single day. And remember, mistakes don't matter. What matters is your effort. I am with you on this journey, always. Now go, and show the world what you can do.